In this video, I'm going to be reviewing Swift software for you. Let's get into it right now. Hey, what's up video guys, this is Irfan here and welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing Swift software for you, and also I'm going to show you what kind of benefits you can get from this particular software, because this software is going to, save you a lot of money if you are in internet marketing or digital marketing. I'm going to show you what it does and how you can use it. Stick with me until the end of this video. It's going to help you a lot. So as you can see, I'm inside my bonus page. I always start my videos with my bonus page. You're gonna get so many bonuses from me and from the vendor. I mean, he's gonna give you even more bonuses. I'm gonna get into it right now. But Swift, in a nutshell, as you can see, it's the one thing that makes Swift different is it siphons traffic from a completely untapped 80 million user source at the press of a button. So this software allows you to create PDF lead magnets and PowerPoint presentations. So before talking about anything, I just want to do a very quick comparison for you to see that how different this software is from the other regular services that you find on internet. So let me just show you really quick. So if you go to Fiverr and search for PDF, you see that people are literally charging $31, $25. This one is $20 right here. $356 for a magazine or PDF newsletter with InDesign. $356. They're literally charging a lot of money, and just pay attention to it. It's starting at $31. It's probably going to $90, $100 to just give you a PDF form that you can use for, as a lead magnet. And another example is right here. If you go to Fiverr again and search for PowerPoint presentation, you see that people are charging $50, $63 here, $70 here, $127 here, $445 here. They're literally charging hundreds of dollars to just design a simple PDF lead magnet for you or a PowerPoint presentation. So this software is going to take all the pressure off you, and it's going to do everything for you from scratch. So you can do it either from scratch, or you can use the pre-built designs that are inside the software already. So I'm going to show you how it works, but I just wanted to show you this one first to do a little bit of comparison. As you saw, they're charging $50 above to give you a PowerPoint presentation. So let's go back to the bonus page because I want to show you how many bonuses I'm going to give you, and then I show you the sales page and the price, that how much it costs. So stick with me until the end of this video. So what it does is that it creates the PDF form for you, like the PowerPoint presentation or the lead magnet, and then it's going to share it online. It's going to share it to the popular websites such as Slideshare and the other PDF sharing websites, to actually help your PDF to get ranked on Google and get organic traffic. So this is really powerful. I recently done that. I created a PDF lead magnet, and then I did the same thing. I shared it on slideshare.net, I shared it on the vimeo.net and the other PDF sharing websites to actually help my PDF to get ranked and get organic traffic. And this is what we are all looking for, organic traffic. But let me show you how many bonuses you're going to get from me. The first bonus that I'm going to give you is called affiliate networking. So by the way, I've already signed in to the members area. So I already signed into the members area. This is the members area, and then I'm going to show you that how it works, how we can actually do the same thing. So don't worry about it, but I'm going to show you my bonuses first. So the first bonus you're going to get is called affiliate networking. So I thought that it might be a really helpful bonus that you can actually combine with this software, since it's you can use it for affiliate marketing as well, to know how affiliate marketing works, how affiliate networking works, how you can combine a lead magnet, how you can create a lead magnet. You can actually find everything inside this bonus. And keep in mind that by clicking on any of these orange buttons here, you will be able to get access to my bonuses after purchasing the product. You will get to the sales page, and then you'll be fine to get my bonuses. The second bonus is called the step-by-step guide to build your audience 100% properly, which is build your audience. It's very important. It's all about traffic, quality traffic, having engaged visitors. This is what this bonus is all about. Again, there's an orange button here that you can actually get access to this bonus. And the third bonus is called a step-by-step email marketing expert. It's super important, guys. If you're a marketer, you don't want to underestimate the power of email marketing. This is something that you must have in your strategy. For example, if you're creating a PowerPoint presentation or a PDF form or a PDF report, you need to have some sort of a lead magnet inside that form or inside that PDF to actually capture people's email address. So it's very, very important, guys, and that's why I decided to provide this bonus as the third bonus, which is a step-by-step email marketing expert. And the fourth bonus is traffic autobahn secret. So it's all about getting organic traffic, guys. I talk about the traffic all the time, and I'm giving away these 4 bonuses for you to help you to get the most out of this software. So you're gonna get 4 bonuses from me, and the 5th bonus is gonna be accessing to all vendor bonuses. So the vendor bonuses are super cool, guys. I'm gonna show you how many bonuses you're gonna get from the vendor. So as you can see, number 1, Facebook link, number 2, WordPress auto poster, and all the way to number 24. You're gonna get 24 bonuses only from the vendor and 4 bonuses from me. So 28 bonuses in total, and it's you can just go for them from the beginning to the end and combine them with the software, with Swift. So, and if I want to go through the bonuses, the names are here: SEO pack, WordPress auto poster, pro reviews, magnet traffic, viral feeds, smart promoter, flip me, Hookam, WordPress ultra pop, cover box, sales page generator. There's so many other things that you can actually take advantage of at the same time that you're using the software. So these are the bonuses you're going to get from me and the vendor. And then let's get into this the members area right now. So this is the members area. So if you just log in, you will see this page right here. We have the Academy section. Welcome to Swift Soft Traffic Academy. Just play this video, guys. It's gonna help you a lot as an introduction. And then this is where the game starts. If you click on traffic campaigns, you will see that you have 2 options: create campaign from scratch or create campaign from blog. This is a really, really cool thing. As you can see, these campaigns have already been made. So they've already built. And what you need to do is you have 2 options. So we can either create it from scratch or we can create it from a blog. So I can actually show you an example. For example, so I'm gonna actually test it out with one of my blogs. So I just copy the URL and I paste it here, and then I create campaign from blog. So this is it's going to clone my blog page, and then you can actually edit it after that. You can actually change the links, you can change the images. See that it's already cloned my weblog. So my blog post, and then I can actually remove whatever I don't need. For example, I don't need this one. I'm not gonna use this one as well. So we just need to delete it right this. I don't need this logo right here. So you can see it's a very, very simple review page. It's actually a blog post that I reviewed one of the web hosts. I compared the web hosts. As you can see, it cloned the same thing without needing me to do anything, guys. If you want to do everything manually, it takes you 2 hours minimum, or you gotta spend hundreds of dollars on PowerPoint presentations on Fiverr or PDF creators. See that this is the best alternative, in my opinion, if you want to save money and save time. So I literally copied the same thing, the exact same thing, and I can just edit whatever I want. And the best thing you can do is just adding a lead magnet, an opt-in form inside your PDF, so you can capture email addresses. So this is very, very powerful. Just add an opt-in form, and then you'll be good to go. So this is one of the methods that you can do. If I click on back, you see that also there's another option called create campaign from scratch. So this is something that I build everything from scratch myself. Nothing is pre-built. I literally add the text here. I can add the images. I can add videos. I can put my campaign name here. So I'm not gonna actually create everything from scratch for you. You got the concept. So you know how it works. I've already showed you, but it's a very, very cool thing. So this is for PDF, but we have the other options as well. So this is my thing, I think. Oh no, I didn't save it actually. So, but once you're done with it, so let's say that I already saved my work and it's done. So it's gonna pop up right here. I have 3 options: export as a PDF, go to editor, or delete it. So it's very simple. So if you click on export as a PDF, it's gonna actually download the PDF format for you, and then it's gonna share it to different PDF sharing websites that I earlier talked about. So like Slideshare.net and the other popular websites to get organic traffic. It's very powerful. It's a plug and play system. You just need to edit it. You just need to spend a little bit of time, like maybe less than 20 minutes, to edit your PDF and then just let it do its work. It's very, very simple. The second section is called slider campaigns for PowerPoint presentation. It's a very, very creative thing, guys. I personally like this one because I personally like PowerPoint presentations. They're so eye-catchy and attractive. So the same thing, upload to Slideshare. Very, very cool here. I've already talked about it. You can go to editor, export it as PDF, or directly upload to slideshare.net. So if I click on create new slider campaign here, you see there are so many files here that I can actually choose and import to my campaign. There's a setting up section here, there's a preview section, and there's a publish section. So for example, for media, I don't know how they exactly work. I'm not going to create a totally new slider campaign for you, but you definitely know how it works, guys. You can get more creative than me. You can go ahead and start making your eye-catchy PowerPoint presentation and start sharing it on slideshare.net. So slideshare.net, let me show you a very, very cool comparison again for you. If you go to similarweb.com and if you search for slideshare.net, it's gonna blow your mind that how much traffic this website has every single month. So see, if you scroll down, 133 million total visits every single month. And see, if you scroll down, we see that most of the traffic comes from Mexico, Colombia, India, Peru, United States, 5% United States. It doesn't really matter which countries they are from. So you just want to get organic traffic, organic leads, and then sales at the end of everything. So because your goal is to generate sales by sharing it to a Slideshare. I just wanted to show you that how much traffic this website has, how many visitors they have, more than 133 million visitors every single month. So it's funny that you think that you don't get organic traffic. Just create an eye-catchy PowerPoint presentation or a PDF file, share it on a slideshare.net, and just wait for the results. This is how it works. So let's go back to a slider campaign. So you know how it works. I click on back, and then there are so many templates here, so many examples here that you can actually go for. You can go to editor and start editing, but this is not my account. This is a demo account, guys. You probably don't have any of them after you actually purchase the software, because this is a demo account. But this is how it works. It's super simple. If you go to tools, you see that they have, if you want to get more traffic, they have a spin article, which is a free tool. They have this squeezing free bonus as a free bonus, funnel base free bonus, and content research, which is coming soon. So a spin article is super valuable, guys. You just need to literally copy a blog post, like you copy the content, you go to a spin article, which is a free tool, and then you start spinning the article. It's gonna rewrite, it's gonna rephrase everything for you, and it's gonna provide a unique article. So this is how it works. It's super easy, guys. It's super powerful, and I would say that it's gonna save you, a lot of time, most importantly, and also a lot of money. So that's pretty much it for support. So they have support my profile or logout. This is very, very common. So these are the things that I wanted to show you regarding Swift. And I'm pretty sure that it's going to help you a lot if you want to get into, like, it doesn't matter whether you're a digital marketer or you're in make money online niche. It doesn't matter. A PowerPoint presentation would be for anything, for any niche. If you're in anything, you need that PowerPoint presentation and PDF file in order to get some traffic. So it doesn't matter what niche you are in. So let's get back to my bonus page because I want to show you that how much it costs. So by the way, this is a sales page. So if you click on any of these orange buttons right here, you're gonna get access to the sales page, which is this one right here. So this is a sales page, guys. There's a video here. There's some features here that you can go through and read it yourself. That's a pretty long sales page with so many testimonials and so many results that you can see yourself. And they have, the income proof right here. In the last 30 days, they made $44,000. And then if you scroll down, you see that how many steps it's involved in, how many steps are involved in order to create a successful campaign. You see there are 3 steps. It's just a plug and play system. And if you scroll down more, you see that everything is right here. Feel free to check it out yourself, go through it to see whether it's a good fit for you or not. So you can find the link exactly below in the description, guys. It's gonna be the first link you see below this video. You get access to my bonus page, and after that you get access to the sales page. So let's get into the cost, the price of this. Guys, it's only $17 one time, no strings attached. And by spending $17, first of all, you're gonna get access to the software, fully functional PDF creator and PowerPoint presentation creator. Number 2, you're gonna get access to our bonuses. So you don't have to go for the whole funnel to get our bonuses. But if you want to go for a whole funnel, it's gonna be for your own benefits. So you're gonna actually benefit more from this software if you want to go for the upsells as well. But just getting the bonuses, front end is totally enough. So front end $17. The first upsell is going to be Swift Unlimited, which is $39. And what it is that you can experience Swift without limits. So you can create unlimited campaigns and unlock unlimited capability on everything inside your account. And the second upsell is Swift Limitless Traffic, which is $197. In this upgrade, our team aims to deliver done for you traffic and sales for you. It's another massive thing. They personally deliver done for you traffic and sales. They personally do that for the second upsell. For the third upsell, $197, done for you. Don't want to do it for yourself, then we'll do the work for you. They're gonna do everything from scratch. And upsell number 4, Slip Technology. I don't know what it is, $39. And upsell number 5, monetization, $197. You have the traffic, you have Swift, but and it's gonna help you to actually make more commission, over time. And I think it's a very, very cool thing that you let someone to monetize your contents for you and to help you to make money. So in my opinion, it's a really good thing. And the last upsell is going to be reseller rights, $197. So you can actually have this software as your own and you can start selling it yourself by just going for the upsell number 6, which is $197, which is a very, very cool feature if you want to have this software as your own and start selling it. So it's a very cool thing, guys. I've already showed you the price, the bonuses you're going to get, the members area, the sales page. Everything is covered inside this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to drop your comments below this video. I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. And if you need any help with the bonuses, guys, please don't hesitate to ask me. So if you want to grab my course for free after actually getting this software, let me know. I probably can do that for you because I want you to help. I want to actually to help you to make more money by just combining my course with this software. So I'm selling my course for almost $100, but you're gonna get it for free beside this software if you want. So just send me an email and say that you already purchased this product, and then what I can do, I can actually help you to go through everything over the shoulder. So that's what I can do for you. I hope that you liked everything here. If you have any question, you know what to do. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you later.